Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use lip sync in Higgsfield. So, Higgsfield offers a lip sync feature that lets you match a character's mouth movements with voice or audio, mainly used for AI videos, talking avatars, or cinematic clips. This is useful when you want realistic speech animation without manually animating lips frame by frame. First, log into your Higgsfield account. Simply navigate to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar, and type in Higgsfield. Now, click on Higgsfield.ai. It will take you to this page where you'll have to basically sign up using your user credentials. After you sign up, you're going to see this page. Here, you're going to click on the video option at the top right. So take your mouse and hover over video. Now, you will see an option saying Lip Sync Studio. Click on this option and it will open up this page. Here, you're going to simply click Upload an image. Now, simply choose the image that you want to upload and add the lip sync to. Now, you'll have to simply type in what the character should say. For example, I will type in, "Hi, my name's John, and I will teach you more about tutorials." I can type a long script, short script, but make sure you know that it takes credits to generate your video. So, enter the text that you want to generate, and that specific text that you would have added here will be synced with the character that you would have added. So make sure you have a portrait image or any kind of image of your character that you have to add here. Now, after you do this, you'll have to scroll down and you can describe the scene you imagine with details. For example, if you'd want the character to say something and then run away or take any action or any scene changes, you can simply type that prompt here. But whatever you're going to use the lip sync for, enter the lip sync text here, then scroll down, enter the prompt, choose your model. For most people, this model works very good. Now, simply click duration and choose whether you want the video to be 5 seconds or 10 seconds. If you choose 10 seconds, you can generate the video with more credits. So, I will choose 5. Now you can choose the resolution and click 720 and choose whether you want the resolution to be 720 or 1080. After you do this, simply click generate. When you click generate, if you have enough credit to generate your video, Higgsfield will instantly start generating your video and you'd be easily able to get your video back with a proper lip sync. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.